tai yra muzikinis terminas bet kokiu atveju ir tai labai susiję ir šokyje yra reverbas, labai taip pat sinchronas, taip pat yra reverbas, kai yra toks aidas, atgarsis. Šokyje tai vienas padaro judesį, antras ir taip tokie birėjimai gražus. Žodžiu, domino. Tik, 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 tik.
Make it sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8.
Reverb is our latest production, Contemporary Ballet Evening, where we will present two world creations, two world premieres by a wonderful choreographer and my friend Douglas Lee from Great Britain and myself.
What came quite early was the music, unifying the two pieces somehow with a kind of color. It's electronic music, and I would say probably visually there's something more of science fiction element to it. There's also this inspiration from the sea. I really want to create a very specific atmosphere to transport the audience to a fantasy world, alien place.
Douglasas, aišku, atvažiavęs yra iš pasaulinių trupių, aš kaip sakau, taip sau sakau, jiem tai nesakau, kad Douglasas atvažiavo su Ferrari. Turiu minti, kad jau yra tam tikras lygis o Gajus yra dar tik tai lipa į Ferrari, tai mes turime su bendrai spektakliu tokio Ferrari išvažiuoti į, netgi ne Ferrari, gal Rolls Royce'as, nes Douglasas yra iš Anglijos.
I'm using 9 dancers. The last 10 days are the important days, because that's when everything hopefully comes together, and with the lights and the moving onto the stage, that's when you really get a vision for how everything's going to be complete.
I can say that both choreographies are very different. I would say different approaches, different style, which makes it even more interesting. So yeah, it will be fun. The mood is very futuristic and I would say very mechanical. Actually, the whole company is involved. So trying something new, something different, try to let people to create their own story. I think that is very, very important, especially in dance.
Stebins jau tai, kad trupė yra labai atsinaujinusi.
24 dancers for now. I hope nobody gets injured. So it's quite a large group ballet piece. Very, very demanding. A lot of counting, a lot of work. We have dancers from Japan, from Korea, from Italy, from Ukraine, from France, from Spain. So a lot of energies. And yeah, you're welcome.